Good morning, everyone. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate a very special day in the history of our country, India's Independence Day. On 15th August, we remember and honor the heroes who fought for our freedom, and we celebrate the journey of our nation towards becoming an independent and strong country. Do you know what Independence Day means? It's the day when India became free from the rule of another country. Before 1947, our country was under British rule, and our brave leaders, like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, and many others, worked together to make India free. On this day, we hoist our national flag, the tricolour, which has three colours: saffron, white, and green. The saffron colour represents courage and sacrifice, the white colour represents peace and truth, and the green colour represents growth and fertility. In the center of the white stripe there is a spinning wheel called the chakra, which symbolize progress. Independence Day is not just about flying kites, wearing colorful clothes, or having delicious sweets. It's a day to remember the struggles our freedom fighters went through. They faced challenges, sacrifices, and hardships to make sure we can live in a free and independent country. As kids, we might not have lived through those difficult times, but it's important to learn about our history and appreciate the freedom we have today. Our country's progress and development have been possible because of the sacrifices made by those who came before us. So, on this Independence Day, let's promise ourselves to be responsible citizens. Let's respect our country, its diversity, and its values. Let's remember that freedom comes with responsibilities: the responsibility to help others, to keep our surroundings clean. In conclusion, Independence Day is a time to celebrate the spirit of freedom and unity. Let's enjoy this day while also remembering the sacrifices made by our great leaders. Let's be proud of our nation and work towards making it even better. Happy Independence Day, everyone!